Health benefits of cinnamon powder. Cinnamon is a highly delicious spice. It has been prized for its medicinal properties for thousands of years. In ancient times, cinnamon was more valuable than gold. The reason for that can be well understood by looking at its health benefits. It has been used as an ingredient throughout history, from ancient Egypt. It was rare and precious and was considered a gift worthy of the kings. Nowadays, cinnamon is cheap, available in all supermarkets, and is available as an ingredient in various foods and recipes. Cinnamon is made from the inner bark of the cinnamomum tree. It's widely popular and has been linked with health benefits like improved blood sugar control and lowering of some risk factors for heart disease. The two main types of cinnamon are cassia and Ceylon. Cassia, also called regular cinnamon, is the most commonly used type. Ceylon, known as true cinnamon, has a lighter and less bitter taste. Cassia cinnamon is more commonly found in supermarkets, given that it's much cheaper than Ceylon cinnamon. So in today's video, we have collected some of the most promising health benefits of cinnamon powder you probably don't know about. It can help treat type 2 diabetes. Perhaps the most promising research showing the health benefits of cinnamon is linked to type 2 diabetes. While there is certainly no cure for this metabolic syndrome, cinnamon can be an important tool in controlling its symptoms. Actually, insulin insensitivity is the root cause of type 2 diabetes. Adequate levels of insulin are present in the body, but due to insulin insensitivity, it cannot perform the desired functions. Cinnamon, which is completely non-toxic, activates insulin receptors and therefore helps in normal insulin functioning. Improves digestive problems. Cinnamon is a spice made from the inner bark of trees known scientifically as cinnamomum. The inner bark is removed and the wooden parts are removed. When dry, it forms strings, called cinnamon sticks. These sticks can be ground into a powder of cinnamon powder. The unique aroma and taste of cinnamon are due to the oily part, which is very high in cinnamaldehyde. Due to its origin from plants, it is considered high in fiber and hence can help treat a number of digestive problems. Cinnamon is packed with antioxidants. Antioxidants protect your body from oxidative damage caused by free radicals. Cinnamon is loaded with powerful antioxidants, such as polyphenols. In a study comparing the antioxidant activity of 26 spices, cinnamon was clearly more successful, even coming up with high-quality foods such as garlic and oregano. In fact, it is so powerful that cinnamon can be used as a natural food preservative. Anti-inflammatory properties. Inflammation is a natural procedure that exists in your body. It helps your body fight infections and repair tissue damage. However, inflammation can be a problem if it is chronic and is directed to damage your tissues. Cinnamon may be helpful in this situation. Reduce cholesterol. While research is ongoing, some studies show that cinnamon can help lower LDL, which is considered bad cholesterol, and raise HDL, the good cholesterol. Cinnamate present in the cinnamon powder can lower the activity of the cholesterol-producing enzyme, thereby reducing the number of fatty acids in the blood. Fights acne. Cinnamon can stop the germs that cause acne. To make one fragrant mask for acne, simply mix 3 tablespoons of honey and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon to make a paste. Leave it on your skin for 10 minutes, then wash it off and enjoy your refreshed face. Try it twice a week to have acne-free skin. Cinnamon and weight loss. Cinnamon has been shown to reduce some of the side effects of eating a high-fat diet. This can help in the overall process of weight loss program. It also affects blood sugar levels and can help your body eventually lose weight. The anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties of cinnamon can provide extra help for those trying to lose weight by promoting a healthy overall body that will process food better. It is important to note that cinnamon alone will not lead to weight loss for a long time. But it may be helpful to include cinnamon in your healthy diet and exercise program to help you reach your goal. 1 teaspoon of cinnamon contains 1.6 grams of fiber, which can help you achieve your daily fiber goal and increase the feeling of fullness in the diet. Studies have shown that a variety of other medical conditions can be improved or in some way positively affected by the use of cinnamon. Some of these include Alzheimer's disease, HIV/AIDS, multiple sclerosis, chronic ulcers. So, these were all the health benefits of cinnamon powder. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button and share it with your friends to spread the awareness. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you.